Healthy breakfast doesn't have to be boring. You're just cooking it wrong. This is my comfort savory oats. Quick, healthy, and actually tasty. Firstly, dice some carrots and capsicum. In a pan, add a little oil. Then add diced carrots and capsicum. Veggies add fiber and vitamins. Add half cup oats. Salt and black pepper. Oats are rich in fiber. Keeps you full longer. Add water and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. If you want, add cumin powder or lemon juice just for extra flavor without extra calories. Healthy food isn't boring. It just needs the right seasoning.